Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're beginning the fix now. First, verify a hardware wireless switch or press FN plus F7 on many Lenovos to toggle radio. This can immediately clear airplane mode. Once done, open the Action Center or Settings right arrow network and Internet right arrow airplane mode and try turning it off. You're checking both physical and software controls because Windows often reflects hardware state. Make sure the Wi-Fi adapter appears in the network list. If it's missing, do not reboot yet. Proceed to the next diagnostic steps. Now you'll resolve deeper causes. Open Device Manager, expand Network Adapters, right-click your Wi-Fi device and choose Enable or Update Driver. A corrupted driver commonly forces airplane mode. Next, press Win plus R, Run Services. MSC, find WLAN Auto Config and set Startup to Automatic, then start the service. This controls radio behavior. Also launch Lenovo Vantage or Support, assist to refresh firmware and vendor drivers. These utilities can override Windows settings. Once drivers and services are healthy, test toggling airplane mode again. Finish by restarting the laptop so driver and service changes take effect, then test the airplane mode toggle. If it remains enabled, go to Settings right arrow Network Reset, follow prompts to reinstall adapters, and restart again. This often clears stubborn flags. If problems persist, boot into safe mode to see if third-party software is forcing airplane mode, and try creating a new Windows user to isolate profile issues. One key tip: check BIOS/UEFI wireless settings if nothing in Windows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.